Hey there, my name is Bobby, and I love to watch YouTube videos on owning and running an online business. But very often I come across these how to make money online videos with some extraordinary claims like $35,239 in one day. This free bot makes you $700 per day. Earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is untrue, but to be honest, it makes me wonder why there are so many people battling in the world if these claims are true. So instead of me thinking these claims are a bunch of bull, and to be honest, I think most of them are, I thought, let me give these YouTube creators a chance and test some of these claims out to see if they really work. Surely these creators have their audience's best interests at heart and really want to help people out. To be honest, I'm not holding my breath. But my plan is to keep an open mind while doing this. I think this will be fun, so I'll be the guinea pig. Why not join me for the ride? If you enjoy these types of videos, please could you do me a solid and like the video. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. Feel free to comment with links to videos you want me to test out, so you don't have to. Or just comment on the method revealed in this video and tell me what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep posted of all videos I upload. If you want more videos of me testing out these extraordinary claims, then type "make money online in 2022" in the comment section. I just want to mention a few things before we get into the video. The first thing is, I'm just going to get into the nitty-gritty and find out if this method is a legit way to make money online. If you are interested in watching everything the creator has to say, I have posted their video link in the description below. I'll also post all links mentioned in my video in the description. The second thing is, when I need to create accounts or do any tedious tasks like writing posts or comments, I am going to fast forward through that process as it's very simple to do and I don't really want to bore you guys with that. Then I will, however, show you the posts or comments I have written once I'm done. And then the last thing is to remember to stay right until the end of the video so you can actually see if the method works. So let's get into it. In the video linked in the description, the video creator claims that we can make $60 by just clicking on 2 ads and we can get paid over and over no matter where we are in the world. I just love these easy methods. The creator mentions that we are going to need a laptop or desktop computer or phone with a stable internet connection, and we also need a PayPal account, so if we don't have one, we need to sign up for a PayPal account. The first thing we need to do is go to this website called aticlicks.net and we need to sign up for an account. So let's click this join now button. I'm just going to quickly fill out all this information and I will see you shortly. I'll then click this "I'm not a robot," as well as "I have read and agreed to abide by the ATI Clicks rules," and then click on the register button. Once we've clicked the registered button, we are then brought to this page to welcome us to ATI Clicks. We then need to click on this login button and we are brought to this page. I'm going to quickly fill in my details here so I can log in. Once I've logged in, we are then brought to this, which it seems like an advert, which the creator spoke about. So I suppose we just need to now wait the 30 seconds for this ad to complete, and then we can go to our dashboard. Now that the ad is complete, I'm going to click on this button that says "click to open your account." I hope that takes me to the dashboard. So that button did work and we are now brought to our dashboard or our account page. The creator then tells us to click on this link that says "earn money," and there will be a few links there for ads like AdSend Media, AdGate Awards, AdGate Rewards. There's an ad gem, also adamantium. I couldn't actually find the page that the creator was on in her video. So I had to check her video, and I looked at the address in the address bar. So I'm just typing it in here because for the life of me, I could not find this page she was on. So typing in that URL did bring me to this page, the same page that she's currently on in the video. Now that we've gotten to this page, the creator says that we can click and earn on any of these options over here. So I'm going to try run through a few of them quickly and see what I get. I've clicked a few of these now, but I'm not getting any ads pop up that I need to wait 30 seconds for and then exit out of them. All I'm getting is lists of surveys I need to do. And you'll see here, I'm going to click this $62.5 apparently. As you can see from this pop-up, it says earn 62.5 cents. So it's not actually $62.5. So I can confirm I've clicked on 8 of the 11 buttons here, and all of them took me to pages where I had to complete surveys for a few cents. This is definitely not what the creator's title stated. I actually don't know how the creator got to that page where she was able to wait for 30 seconds and then click away. Every button I've clicked here, I haven't once got to a page like that. Strange. My final conclusion, once again, I'm left frustrated because the creator's title is so misleading. Well, it's actually a blatant lie in my opinion. There is no way you're making $60 by clicking to ads. I couldn't even find ads no matter what I clicked on. Maybe if you are in a country like the USA or a first world country, you get to see those ads, but then it doesn't work worldwide. Again, I see no evidence of this creator making any money with this method. In fact, when the creator logs into her account, all the numbers show 0. This is my second video now, and again, I don't think this creator even bothered testing this method. I therefore give this method a big fat thumbs down. 2 out of 2 so far. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button to help my video reach many more people. See you on the flip side. Ciao.